Welcome to this video. In this video, we'll discuss 8 steps to creating an operational plan for your business. A well-crafted operations plan can help your business run smoothly, increase efficiency, and improve customer satisfaction. An operations plan is an essential part of any business because it outlines the procedure and resources needed to produce and deliver your products or services to your customers. Step 1. Identify your business goals and objectives. Your operations plan should support and align with your business's goals and objectives, which may include things like growing sales, improving efficiency, entering new markets, or introducing new products or services. Before you can create an operations plan, you must understand what your business's goals and objectives are. Step 2. Analyze your current operations. Knowing your current procedures, resources, and capacity can help you design an efficient operations strategy. You should also examine each phase of your production and delivery process to discover what is working well and what could be improved. This will assist you in locating potential areas for improvement and efficiency. Step 3. Identify potential bottlenecks or constraints. Look for potential bottlenecks or restrictions as you assess your present operations. These are areas in your process where you have a limited amount of capacity or resources, which might cause your operations to lag. These bottlenecks can be located and fixed to increase productivity and decrease waste. Step 4. Determine your resources and capacity. Once you have a thorough understanding of your current operations, you need to ascertain what capacities and resources are currently available. This includes things like personnel, materials, and equipment. You should also take into account any potential future needs, such as new personnel or additional equipment. Step 5. Develop your process flow. Now is the time to begin assembling your operations strategy. Begin by drawing a process flow diagram that depicts the stages required in manufacturing and delivering your goods or services. By doing so, you'll be able to see how your business functions and see any potential inefficiencies or bottlenecks. Step 6. Identifies key performance indicators. You must identify key performance indicators, which are precise, measurable objectives that may be used to gauge the success of your operations plan. For an operations strategy, some examples of KPIs might be things like production capacity, delivery speed, and customer satisfaction. Step 7. Create an action plan. It's time to build an action plan after your process flow and key performance indicators are in place. This must have specific actions and due dates for carrying out your operations plan. Make sure you include all necessary parties in this process, including team members, suppliers, and clients. Step 8. Monitor and review your operations plan. Your operations plan should be evaluated and updated on a regular basis to make sure it is still fulfilling your company's needs. You can use future KPIs to monitor your progress and find any areas that need improvement. Don't be scared to alter your operations strategy if necessary. A crucial component of operating a successful firm is developing an operations plan, which outlines your resources, capabilities, and processes. Both waste reduction and consumer happiness. Do not forget to include all necessary parties. Choose key performance indicators, and periodically evaluate and update your operations plan to make sure it still meets your company's needs. Stay tuned for more updates.